Donald Trump calls for sharp cuts in taxes and regulations while increasing oil and coal production. He says flawed foreign trade deals cost millions of American manufacturing jobs. Trump would raise tariffs on Chinese and Mexican goods and seek tougher deals with trading partners.
We have to renegotiate our trade deals.
But economists say China and Mexico would retaliate with higher tariffs, slowing trade and growth. And this would cost jobs, says Marcus Nolan at Peterson Institute for International Economics.
The United States economy goes into a mild recession. Private sector job losses relative to baseline are 4.8 million.
Democrat Hillary Clinton supported a major free trade deal, the Trans-Pacific Partnership, when she was Secretary of State, drawing criticism from political rivals. She now opposes it, prompting critics to accuse her of political opportunism. But Clinton says the TPP deal that she supported is not the agreement that finally emerged from negotiations, a deal she says does too little for U.S. workers.
I won't support any agreement unless it helps create good jobs and higher wages for American workers.
Meantime, Trump supporter and technology billionaire Peter Thiel says Clinton is out of touch with working people.
All of our elites preach free trade. The highly educated people who make public policy explain that cheap imports make everyone a winner, according to economic theory. But in actual practice, we've lost tens of thousands of factories and millions of jobs to foreign trade.
But investors are apparently more worried by Trump than Clinton, according to analyst Joe Prakken, who spoke via Skype.
As the odds of a Clinton victory rose, at least as recorded in the polls, we saw the market rally. And if the odds of a Clinton victory receded, we saw the market retreat.
Other economic differences include taxes. Critics say Trump's proposed tax cuts would help the wealthy and increase the national debt. Clinton proposes a higher minimum wage, more taxes for the wealthy, and tax changes to encourage American companies to keep jobs in the U.S. However, Clinton's conservative critics say more taxes mean less economic growth. Dealing with the enormous U.S. debt is another issue. The Nonpartisan Committee for a Responsible Federal Budget says neither candidate has a realistic plan to put taxes and spending on a sustainable path, though they say Trump's approach is even worse than Clinton's. Jim Randle, VOA News, Washington.